Ako ay si Dr. Victor C. Ramos sa Barangay Concepcion na nagwaging dangal ng baliwag sa larang ng edukasyon. Okay, I can best describe myself as an administrator. Since 1992, I had been given various designations from administrative positions, such as Dean of the College of Arts and Letters from 2005 to 2013, Director of Cultural Affairs Office, Associate Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences. I also became the chairperson of the Filipino Department, including Director of the University Extension Office for 5 years. As of now, I'm a part-timer, a part-time teaching faculty at the Bulso Bustos campus. Okay, una sa lahat ay maraming problema akong kinaharap bilang dekano ng kolehiyo ng arte at literatura noong mga panahon na yon. Unang-una kasi, I have to think of what types of programs and projects I should be able to promote for the welfare of my students. I was able to build a CAL library, the Dean's Office, a speech laboratory, including campus radio and television studio. At saka may mga programa din ako na through my own initiative, I was able to organize, such as huwarang mag-aaral ng taon to inspire our students to do a better performance in relation to instruction, research, extension, and production. Likewise, I also organize huwarang guro ng taon. Yun din with the same purpose din, that I have to encourage my faculty to do their best in relation to instruction, to the four components of such as instruction, research, extension, and production. So ganun din. Sa pamamagitan nito, na-inspire ko sila at nahahamon ang kanilang kakayahan upang pagbutihin nila yung kanilang mga trabaho bilang mga guro ng College of Arts and Letters nung mga panahon na yon. I am claiming that I am a book writer by profession because of so many books that I have written. And I would like to showcase these books to you. This book, entitled Hinubog sa Butong Buhay, ang co-author ko dito ay si Professor Ray S. Nagit. Makikita niyo yung pangalan ko rito at yung pangalan niya. This is the first book which I have written, Kamanlilikha. Kamanlilikha, Sining ng Komunikasyon para sa kursong Inhinyeriya at iba pang kaugnay na kursong technical. So ayun, nag-iisa, single authorship ito. Ito rin yung aking naging dissertation ng mga panahon na yon. I was able to transform it into a book form, from dissertation to book form, na pinakikinabangan ng BSU. Marami sa mga estudyante sa engineering courses, ang kumukuha ginagamit yung libro ko na ito. Hindi lamang sa main campus, kundi sa iba't ibang satellite campuses ng Bulacan State University. Tapos meron din ako dito, Jose Rizal Over His Dead Body. Ito ngayon ay ito yung English version. Pero meron ako naman nung Tagalog version. Yung Tagalog version ko, Saningas ng Apoy. Si Rizal ang dakilang manunubos ng kalayaan. Okay, so ito ginagamit din sa BSU at maging sa labas ng BSU. Siguro I believe in the principle of blazing a new trail principle. Kasi naniniwala ako na for everything that we do, we must do it in an extraordinary way. Yung bang mga bagay na kung meron man tayong gagawin at i-discover sa buhay natin, Kasi sa buhay natin, hindi na natin alam kung saan tayo patungo. So ang anumang mga gawain ang pinagkakaloob sa atin ng ating Panginoong Diyos, kailangan pagbutihin natin. Pero gawin natin ito sa paraang kakaiba, maging transformative siya, and at the same time, if you can be a change maker in whatever modality you would like to formulate, I think it would be better. Kasi merong bagay na you will inspire everybody to do thing which you have done. So yung nilakaran mo, pwede rin nilang tularan at gayahin. So yun yung lagi kong iniisip. Kamukha nung pagtatayo ko ng Sambalaran. Yung Sambalaran Volunteerism Movement, Actually, we have 1,000, more than 1,000 members, starting from local, regional, national, and international scene. So yung lahat ng iyon, nagkaroon ako ng miyembro. At saka itong Sambalaran Volunteerism Movement na to, taon-taon meron kaming festival na ang binibigyan namin, we are providing different livelihood training programs to the poorest among the poor, most especially yung 4Ps o Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program. So yun yung binibigyan namin ng training in partnership with DSWD. In fact, the DSWD here in Bulacan had given us 13 million budget yearly, para doon sa ginagawa naming Sambalaran Festival. Up to now, yung aking iniwanang legacy sa BSU, pinagpapatuloy nila up to now. Kaya tinawag nila akong Father of Sambalaran. Okay, I would like to express my wholehearted gratitude first to the God Almighty who always guides me. Second, to the City Mayor of Baliwag, our very well-respected Mami Sonia Estrella. Di ba? Naalala ko si Mami Sonia kasi laging naging panauhin din kami sa kanyang tahanan. Talagang, in fact, nagkasama kami ni Mayor Perdiz sa Fiesta Hermanidad ng Concepcion. Isa ako sa napabilang sa mga Hermano doon sa Fiesta Hermanidad na yun. Kaya, mababa na rin yung panahon ng aming pagsasama ng Estrella family. Ayun. And then, the committee or the selection committee on search for dangal ng Baliwag, in all categories. Muli po, ako ay si Dr. Victor C. Ramos, ang nanalong dangal ng Baliwag. Proud to be Baliwagueño.